Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys something that feels like this secret that I've been keeping for so long. I don't know why. I probably get this question at least twice every day, or like on times when I'm not wearing makeup, or even when I am wearing makeup, because sometimes when I don't wear makeup, people think I'm wearing makeup. If I wear makeup, people don't think I'm wearing makeup. Whatever. Either way, I get this question a lot.
Oh my gosh. What do you do for your skin? What do you do to your skin? How do you wash your face? What's your skincare routine? What do you use? What do you use on your skin? Like,
today is the day that I share with you guys my entire skincare routine, my full skincare routine. Before we continue on with this video, don't forget to go down below and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. I really do appreciate it. Follow me on my socials, which will be in the description box below. This video is going to be part of a series that I am starting every Friday until the series is complete. I don't know exactly how many videos. I would say maybe about 10 videos are going to be in the series. So every Friday is going to be a new video dedicated to all of my beginners, all the people that want to learn how to put on makeup, you know, how to use stuff, tools that you need to use, products that you may need to use, things like that. If you follow me on social media, you saw that I posted up a question, which is something that I like to do a lot just to keep engaged with my friends and family and stuff like that, and also to get feedback. I posted a question of, when you hear the phrase beginner makeup or makeup for beginners, whatever I said, what comes to your mind? And I got a lot of great feedback. And one of the comments I remember was something like how to use foundation, mascara tips, foundation tips, what tools to use, what brushes to use, things like that. So I decided that instead of trying to condense everything into one video, I'm going to create a series, and each video in the series is going to be dedicated to one specific subject so that it doesn't feel like, you know, it's overwhelming, and then also so the video won't end up being like 2 hours long. This video is going to be the first in the series because I believe that good foundation or good makeup always boils down to your skincare, because if you don't take care of your skin, then your foundation, your makeup, your primer, whatever, is not going to save you. You know, it's either going to make your skin worse or it's just not going to look good. So the best kept secret is my skincare routine. Now, it's not that it's a secret because I want to keep it a secret, like,
oh my gosh, I'm not gonna tell you what I use for my skin. What?
No, like, no, that's not the type of person I am. I'm not gonna tell you what I use for my skin because I don't want you to have good skin. It's not anything like that. I am very passionate about skincare, and I love to share the products that I use on myself with other people. Not that I never thought to put it in a video, I just never got around to putting it in a video. And also, I couldn't figure out how I could get it across to you guys, like in a way that was like, oh, okay, you know. So yeah, so I'm actually really excited to share this with you guys because I'm literally going step by step what I do for my skin. The next person that asks me, oh my gosh, what do you do for your skin? I'm gonna be like, I have a video for it. It's on YouTube, so you should go check it out. And you should also subscribe to my channel because you should just subscribe. Welcome to the first video in my beginner series. Step 1 of makeup for beginners. You want to make sure that your skincare routine is consistent and it is on point. I have very sensitive skin, and my skin goes through changes so much. You know, it's dry and then it's oily, then it's dry. I usually like to stick on the side of natural products. I kind of stay away from face washes specifically. So like, you know, things like a grapefruit face scrub or lemon face scrub. I kind of stay away from that stuff because if you go and read the ingredients, it tends to have other things in it that probably aren't too great for your skin, even though they are advertised as it. You know, it might have some good stuff at the top, but then as you get a little bit closer to the bottom, there's really some things on there that probably shouldn't be going onto your skin. For the most part, I really like to keep my stuff very, very simple. If it does end up being, you know, like a face wash or something that is geared towards, you know, face and skincare, I like to make sure that it is as natural as possible. It doesn't have any anything like alcohol or anything that can dry out your skin. So the first thing that I like to do is, obviously, you know, I wet my face. I love to use warm water because warm water opens up your pores, and whatever else you put onto your skin after also will just get soaked up into those pores. I would say my total routine from start to finish usually takes about 15 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes if I do a face mask in between, but a lot of the time I just do, I'll do a face mask maybe once or twice a week. But for my general everyday, I usually just do these steps. So the first thing I do is I take a soap, just a regular soap. If you do like to use face wash, or if you have a face wash that works for you, by all means, don't. I'm not telling you to stop what you're doing. I'm just sharing with you what I do. So I use a body soap, an all over body soap, and my favorite brand of soap is the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. I also really enjoy the Dr. Bronner's almond and hemp soap, but just any soap in that line is just fantastic. I start off by washing my face with the peppermint soap. Now, I will say this soap is very concentrated, so you have to be very careful, okay? You only need a very tiny bit of it. So this is just the first initial wash to make sure that all the dirt is off your face, all the sweat, all whatever, you know, whatever you might have been doing throughout the day, just making sure that everything is fresh and clean and off your face. Now, the second thing that I like to do is I like to go in with an exfoliator. So an exfoliator is usually something that has some sort of grain or seed in it, and that helps to buff away any dryness, dead skin, anything that you might have on your skin that you might not get off by just washing your face with your hands. Another thing that I like to do if I'm not using an actual seed exfoliator, I do like to just go in with a loofah. That's another great way to exfoliate your skin. You can use a loofah. But lately, I have been really hooked on this seed skin polish. It's a little bit pricey, but I cheated a little bit because I am subscribed to Ipsy, and I received my first full-size product of this in my Ipsy bag. And then I went ahead and purchased it again through Ipsy because they had a sale. The price was like slashed in half, if not a little bit more. So when I went to go look at it on the website, it's a little on the pricey side, but it really, really works. It leaves my skin feeling so moisturized and glowy and dewy after. I just really, really love it. It does have a little bit of a fragrance in it. It's not too much. It's not like super perfumey and overpowering. So, but if you are very sensitive to smell, I would recommend doing something else, like maybe just a natural sugar scrub that you can DIY, or you can just go ahead and use a loofah like I suggested earlier. So when you're using the exfoliator, you want to make sure that you are, once again, going in circular motions and really try to get the parts of your face that you know are a little bit dry, or maybe you have some peeling skin or things like that. I really like to focus this exfoliator on the outside of my face and around my nose area and on my nose, because my nose peels a lot. It gets pretty dry. I have a lot of like discoloration sometimes and dead skin out that I get on the sides of my face. I would say I probably exfoliate for maybe about 20 to 30 seconds because, you know, you don't want to be too harsh on your skin. As you can see, my skin is getting just a little bit red from the exfoliation, but that's normal. All right, so then after I do that, I like to go in with a toner. I feel like a face toner is very, very important in a skincare routine, whatever it may be. And this is my favorite toner. I've been using it for about, well, ever since I really been gotten into skincare. So this has been like the number one thing that has been the exact same throughout my entire skincare process. This is the Thayers Natural Remedies Aloe Vera Alcohol-Free Witch Hazel Toner. This stuff is amazing. I love this stuff so much. What I like to do is take it right on my hands and just pat it onto my face, because I feel like I get the most out of the product that way instead of taking it on a cotton pad and then swiping it and, you know, the cotton pad just soaks up so much of the product. Why not just put it directly onto your hands, onto your face? Especially on the areas where my pores are the largest, which is right around my nose area. After I am finished, then you want to add your moisturizer. I am a huge fan of using oils as moisturizers. I understand completely if you are not a fan of it, because I just have to acknowledge that my bird is warbling in the background. So if you hear him, please excuse it, because I can't. I apologize for the background noise. Anyways, I'm gonna try to talk over him and talk louder than him, but he's gonna just keep getting louder because that's just what he does when I talk. I'm a fan of using oils as moisturizers, especially natural oils. So coconut oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, almond oil. I'm all about it. I love using those types of oils, but lately, and a lot of the times I do rotate what types of oils I do. So that's definitely one thing that I would say is probably not as consistent. I usually generally rotate between coconut oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, and pumpkin seed oil. Lately, I have been using this right here, LUMI 33 face oil. It is a regenerative rare plant serum. Just knowing the type of person I am, I'm very picky about my products. So I would say that you can probably take my word for it if I say that something works really well and it's a really good oil. The main ingredients in this oil are Brazil nut oil, black cumin seed oil, baobab seed oil, plum seed oil, chia seed oil, and rosehip oil. So those are like the main ingredients. But as you go down the list, it's all just a combination of like essential oils, seed oils, things like that. So this stuff has really been working for me. I've been using this for about a month now so far, and I like to keep it in the box because the box is just so attractive to me. This is what the bottle looks like. It's pretty fancy. It comes in a dropper bottle because you only need about 3 to 5 drops of this oil on your skin every night. And it feels so good on my face. I really like it. It really makes my skin so smooth. I don't know what they do. I don't know the combination, whatever, but this is a very nice oil. But it's expensive. Last time, if I checked the right website, I believe this oil is about $50. So yeah, it's a little bit on the pricey side. I actually got this for $20 on the website, and it really intrigued me, and I'm actually glad that I purchased it. Hopefully they have another sale so I can go ahead and snag another bottle before, you know, they stop selling, because Ipsy rotates sales a lot. I'm not gonna lie, this is a very nice face oil for now, but I probably most definitely will not pay actual full price for it unless I'm just super desperate, which I never am, because I can always go back to my old faithfuls, our jojoba oil, olive oil, coconut oil, which are not nearly as expensive as this oil right here. I have been using eye creams for about maybe 2 years now. I don't really have one specific eye cream that I would say that you know is like that I stick to. I generally rotate eye creams as well. But the one that I've currently been using right now is from, it's called Pure Heals by Nature Village. And then is their Centella 80 eye cream. And so far, this one has been really good to me. All the eye creams that I've gotten so far is really good, but I think this one has just a tiny bit of, if I'm not mistaken, I think it has a little bit of peppermint oil in it and some other stuff to kind of just help you wake up in the morning. So I really do enjoy that. After I apply my eye cream and my face oil, I like to do my face rolling routine. This is probably the newest addition to my face routine. Although this is a new addition, this is something that I've been wanting to try for a long time. Once again, Ipsy has saved my life. Ipsy has just answered all my prayers. I got this in my Ipsy subscription box. I know I rave about Ipsy, but that's why, because they really give you great products. And I don't know if they listen to me, you know, if they hear me crying at night about all the stuff that I would just love to and desire to have. But I promise you, almost every single month, Ipsy has at least one product that's in my Ipsy bag that I have been wanting for so long. So I don't know what it is, but just keep it coming. Keep raining the blessings on me. This is the Grace and Stella Rose Quartz Face Roller. And this is something that I incorporate into my routine now daily. It really helps with fine lines, wrinkles, not to mention it gives your face such a great massage. I don't have fine lines or wrinkles yet. I do have under eye bags, and I'm a night owl, so a lot of times I will stay up and, you know, late, and I wake up and I'm all puffy. So I do suffer from a lot of like inflammation in my face, especially around my eyes and my cheeks. So using this face roller in the morning and at night has been such a lifesaver. Usually my face rolling routine is 10 rolls on each side of my face, and I like to do 12 rolls on my forehead back and forth, and then I like to take the the smaller side of the face roller, and I just roll that across my eyes and my nose and my chin. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are looking forward to my series. I know that I really am. After this one, the next one is going to be brows. Even though I did a brow routine already, this one is going to be in-depth brows. Okay, thank you for watching to the end. If you have made it to the end, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. If you've used or heard of any of the products in my video, comment them down below. I want to see what you guys use. Let me know what type of stuff you use. I love to talk to you guys. Please reach out to me. Let me know, what do you use for your face? What do you not use for your face? What products that I mentioned have you heard of? Have you used? Are you already using? Let me know. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week.
I ain't tryna, yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the